Hi, and welcome to the unboxing and assembly of the Convict Mini BMX. Firstly, just take the parts out of the box. Okay, so the first step is to just simply take all the protective wrapping off. Okay, the easiest way to do it is to get some scissors and simply cut out the sellotape. Now once you've unpackaged everything, you need to check you've got everything that you need. You should have a pair of handlebars, a seat, a set of pedals, and the rest of the bike. You'll also receive this installation guide, which for best results you should follow this as carefully as you can. The first step is to install the pedals. And you're going to get your spanner and just finish off tightening it until it's nice and tight. Okay, so the next step is just attach the seats. 13 mil. Okay, the next step, once the seat is firmly attached, is to attach the handlebars. What you want to do is remove all the bolts from the stem, like so, and attach the handlebars in place, and you should see a nice area there, which is a good guide for getting the handlebars in line. Make sure you tighten them evenly around the edges. Don't over tighten one particular bolt. Once it's reasonably tight, just simply lift the bars round and continue tightening from this end. As you're finishing tightening it, for some of the younger audience out there, you might want to ask an adult to just really make sure these are properly tightened and put some good pressure on them to prevent them coming loose. The final safety checks you might want to do is to just make sure these inner bolts are tightened correctly on both sides, and that goes for the back wheel as well, and that stops the wheel from wobbling or coming loose. Also on the chain, make sure you never over tighten the chain, as that could cause the chain to not run smoothly, and also if you leave the chain too loose, the chain can fall off and it'll affect the way it rides. You want to get it nice and tense, but not too tense. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Convict Mini BMX.